2004 Ford E150 Regency conversion wheelchair handicap van. One owner. Pretty excellent condition for the year. 97,000 original miles. This van shows very nicely inside and out. Very clean. It's got a Ricon S-Series wheelchair lift with 800-pound capacity. Very excellent, rust-free van. Runs and drives excellent. The body's in excellent shape. Interior's nice. Very comfortable. Runs and drives excellent. No warning lights on. Air conditioning's cold. Awesome van. Wheelchair lift works. Everything's serviced and ready to go. Very nice. Has the rear folding bed. Beautiful wood grain interior accents. Excellent van. It's in excellent shape. We bought this van from the original owner. It's in great shape. V8. It has the shore lock tie down points already in the floor, ready to go. The lift is in good shape. It's an 800-pound Ricon lift. Van is running right now, super quiet. This rear seat is in excellent shape. It looks like it's hardly been used. Folds right back into place easily. No problem. Excellent shape. You got the nice window shades on the side windows. A few little minor imperfections for the year from the wheelchair touching these interior spots. Get a little bit of damage there, but other than that, this van is in excellent condition. Cosmetically, it's ready to go. A few small bumps on the outside, which I'm going to point out. Got a little ding here, little ding here. You know, a couple of things from normal wear and tear on the outside, but overall, this van just shows beautifully. It's super straight. The body's nice. Got a couple little dings in the back door here, but that's about it. No rust. This van's ready to go. You can drive it across country today without a problem. I'm going to show you how the wheelchair lift works right now. Got the Ricon. Works great. And it folds in there nicely so you can still use the door. You have a attachment here for the handle. You're in, you're done. Very easy setup, very nice and comfortable van. Needs nothing at all. Shows beautifully. It's ready to go. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We're happy to help at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We've been in business 42 years, and we would love the opportunity to talk to you about it. Thank you very much.